Is it time to buy or sell the SPY ETF? In this video, we will explore the SPY ETF in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 26th of November, 2024, and we are here to offer you a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Utilize the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 5th of November, 2024, our system has identified SPY as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 4.83. Now let's examine the performance of this exchange-traded fund during this time frame. The ETF has experienced a gain of 4.19%. This equates to an average return of 0.26% each day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned within a narrow and moderately rising trend in the short term, indicating a potential for further growth within this trend. The current 3-month trend points to a possible change of approximately 7.83% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from 4.03% to 8.85%. Looking at the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of around 25.95% over the coming year, with potential returns between 16.85% and 28.25%. This aligns with a projected price range of approximately $702 to $770 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for SPY includes the headline, Green Day on Tuesday for SPY ETF, after gaining approximately 0.567%. The SPY ETF price increased by approximately 0.567% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 26th of November, 2024. The price rose from $597.41 to $600.80. It has now experienced gains for 7 consecutive days. Such a prolonged streak of gains for an ETF is rare, and it is reasonable to expect a dip or two. On the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.545%, with a low of $598.07 and a high of $601.33. Over the last 10 days, the price has risen on 8 occasions, with an increase of 0.67% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 1 million shares, with a total of 37 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $22.13 billion. It is important to note that declining volume amid rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $601.33, while the lowest price was $453.34. Currently, the price is 0.09%, or 53 cents, below the 52-week high of $601.33, which also marks the all-time high for the ETF. The S&P 500 is demonstrating strong momentum as it is projected to reach 6,500 by the year 2025, fueled by favorable forecasts from analysts. This optimism suggests that exchange-traded funds aligned with the S&P could experience significant gains, influencing investor behavior and potentially driving the SPY's price higher in the near term. Additionally, despite the recent rise in the US dollar, which is associated with President-elect Donald Trump, analysts indicate that this will not impede stock performance, hinting at continued resilience in the S&P 500. Recent consumer confidence data has surpassed expectations, indicating a more positive outlook on job availability. This could enhance spending and corporate earnings, supporting the upward trajectory of the S&P 500. Meanwhile, a notable upgrade for NRG Energy to a buy rating reflects positive sentiment within the index, as strong individual stocks can contribute to overall index performance. Furthermore, broad market forecasts suggest that indices like the S&P 500 are poised to break through previous ceilings, particularly as we approach the historically low liquidity holiday period. Overall, sentiment remains strong, with the CNN Money Fear and Greed Index indicating that investor confidence is firmly in the greed zone, signaling potential for further price growth. The following signals have been identified for SPY. The chart today presents predominantly positive signals. The SPY ETF is showing buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. During downward corrections, support is expected at $593.76 and $585.46. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Friday, September 6, 2024, and so far, the ETF has increased by 11.17%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. It's worth noting that volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices rose. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the ETF should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals you might find noteworthy. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 58 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 12 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 17 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 16 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 79 days ago. For more signals, visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SPY. SPY finds support from accumulated volume at $570.98. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the exchange-traded fund exhibits controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered very low. Over the past day, the ETF fluctuated by $3.26 between its high and low, which is approximately 0.545%. Additionally, in the last week, the ETF had an average daily volatility of 0.87%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SPY. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the exchange-traded fund could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this case, you might want to enter a position and use volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, SPY encounters its first support level at 570.98. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $581.33, reflecting a decline of 3.24%. This exchange-traded fund exhibits very low daily movements, resulting in a minimal risk profile. Moreover, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 57 days ago. Is the SPY ETF a good buy? Several short-term indicators, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current price level may represent a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for the SPY ETF to perform well in the short term. However, after analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 27th of November, we anticipate that the SPY will open down by approximately 73 cents and begin trading at $600.07. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge your responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.